This one measured well. Cattle horns never stop growing, not for as long as the animal is alive.
It will be soaked, pressed flat, cut into an arch, and polished 6 times before anyone calls it a handle.
That handle is sitting on the bag in front of you right now.
Cow 110. This coat condition is excellent.
All right, time to move it.
Light pass only, Tan. We don't shape it here, just clean it.
Latch is set, fam. We're good to roll.
Horn batch matches invoice pay basis. Route to soaking.
First tank at 22 degrees Celsius, pH holding.
Translucency's good, Sag. Grain runs clean through the arch.
Sissel first, tech plan. Knock the 600 grit haze off completely.
Mirror finish confirmed, Tankau. This batch goes to assembly today.
Vacuum dry complete 2 ways. Colors locked, no bleed.
Edge paint stays inside the stitch line, Tau. clean finish.
Horn handle locked, seams clean, pow. This one passes. A woman in Paris will choose one this afternoon. She will never know which bull it came from.
Neither will the bull. The field continues exactly as it did before any of this began.